Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by assembling precise ingredients so the texture is correct. Measure 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Add a pinch of salt to sharpen flavor. In a separate small cup, melt 1 tablespoon butter and measure 3 tablespoons milk. Have 1 tablespoon chocolate chips ready for a fudge center. Use a microwave-safe, 12 to 16 ounce mug and spray or butter the. First, sift or whisk the dry ingredients in the mug: flour, cocoa, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make a small well and pour in 3 tablespoons milk and 1 tablespoon melted butter. Then whisk with a fork until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Stir in 1 tablespoon chocolate chips so some sink into the center for a molten fudge core. Microwave on high for 70 to 90 seconds depending on power. Let the mug rest for 1 to 2 minutes to finish setting and avoid hot steam. Make a quick fudge sauce by melting 1 tablespoon butter with 2 tablespoons chopped chocolate and 1 tablespoon heavy cream over low heat or 15 seconds in the microwave, stirring until glossy. Spoon the warm sauce over the mug cake and finish with a pinch of flaky salt or a dollop of whipped cream for contrast. Eat immediately while warm for best texture. If you have leftovers, cover the mug and refrigerate for up to 48 hours, reheating for 15 to 20 seconds in the microwave before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.